So we got the kayak, got it sitting right next to me right here. Let's get out here and do some fishing. Yo, what's up, ladies and gentlemen? Welcome back to the channel. Today we doing something a little different. We had stopped at Walmart just a little bit ago, and it was a fail. There was absolutely nothing that I needed there. What I'm looking for is fishing equipment. I'm looking for a pole and or a rod and a reel. So yeah, that's what we doing today. We went to Walmart and now we're at Myers, and if we go into Myers and it ain't Jack here either, we gonna just head out all the way out to Bass Pro Shop. So hopefully there's nothing here, we can go to Bass Pro Shop. No, just kidding. Now we about to go out here, put our mask on, go in here, check it out. If it ain't nothing, we can go to Bass Pro Shop. All right, so let's see what we find. So again, they don't have anything. They don't have any poles, anything, or any rods. Found this one. This one's 70 bucks, but it's way too massive. And it comes with a reel I don't want. Oh, it's stressful. We got some baits though. I can pick up a couple of baits while I'm here. I ain't really got any good baits either. Now that I look. Alright, so Myers was a bust. Now we're at the Outdoor World. Let's see if we can find us some fishing gear. Super lit. Let's do it. This is also Little Tessa's first trip. You ready to go in? She's like, I don't care. I just want to do something. Ain't that right? Say cheese. All right, we're at Bass Pro Shop. Seeing some tackle boxes. Super Duty tackle boxes, 119 bucks. Got the poles over here. So got us some ugly sticks. I think I might just grab one of these ones. You know, keep shopping the inventory though, because we still got a couple other spots. We got poles over here, poles over there. We'll check these ones out. We also got baits, all that cool stuff. 130 bucks, man. This is a nice pole too. We got some baits down here. That murky, huh? No, it's probably his old. These are like these glow in the dark right here. Those look cool. That dark water. Like to use that in the dark water. Dark water right here. Dark water. What else? See these baits right here. These colors. These colors like this. This color. This color. And possibly this color. Those are all good ones. Those foggy, them dark waters that ain't clear. Be the best ones to use those. I like using these ones too. You get those bright white ones, put it on the season, those things will go crazy. Bass will go crazy for crappie, bluegill, all that stuff will go crazy for those.
The bucket maybe?
I don't think I need a bucket yet. So we gonna find us a pole. We might just get a ugly stick because that seems like the only thing. We got some line right here, but I think I might have my eye on that ugly stick, but we're gonna keep on checking. These poles are pretty nice. 40 bucks. What is this? Bass Pro Shop special. I like this one. This might be that might be one right there. Might have a winner. The length crazy on that thing. Might caught that. Let's see. I'm gonna look at some tackle. All right, so boom, we back from Bass Pro Shop. We got some Gungan baits, some baits from Cabela's, some more, some eye weights from Cabela's, and then we got the Coffee Scent Perfect Plastics, Coffee Scent and Assault Perfect Plastics. We got us one of these little bad boys. I always get one of these every time the swim bait. And then I got some hooks, and I got these frogs. At least I call them frogs. But I got those from Myers, I believe. I got this from Myers. I always get one of these too as well. And I always get one of these, same color, same style. I got a Lucky one in my taco box. I haven't opened this taco box in probably like a year. So let's go ahead and see. It's all dusty and dirty. Yeah, got one of those right there. Got the little cheater bait right here. Haven't really caught anything with this bait. Got it off of Wish extremely long time ago. Oh, I still got a bunch of weights in here. And I still got a lot of hooks. Got a lot of stuff. Here go the reel. Got me some watermelon worms right here. These probably don't have any. Oh yeah, no, they still smell like watermelon. Got the jelly worms with that. I caught a bunch of bass with these right here. I ain't even got this closed no more. They got those. Those are the trophy series. I got Gariomoto. Got some more of those fish right there. So yeah, we're gonna take this stuff and put it to use. We're gonna go fishing. All right, let's do it. Got all about my fishing pole. This is the fishing pole I bought called the Vendetta. Dude, this thing is next generation. Literally, next generation. This is a bad-ass pole. All right, got the van all warmed up and stuff. It's the next morning. Now I'm about to run over here and grab a kayak from this guy, and then we're gonna do a little bit of fishing. Not a whole lot, but we're gonna do a lot. We're gonna do a lot of something. You know what I mean? So I'm gonna grab this kayak and we'll be right back. All right. I'm so excited right now. All right, so we got the kayak. Got it sitting right next to me right here. Let's get out here and do some fishing. Hopefully I got the pedal at home. That's one thing I'm worried about. But yeah, be right back. All right, so we out here in the river. Got the whatchamacallit going. Now I just got to scoot out here. Got on this river a little bit. Forgot my GoPro batteries at home, so probably going to be a short river video. I'll tell you that right now. I probably should put it up my sleeve. All right, so yeah, I'm slowly floating down right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put y'all up here and there like John Derek. All right, so I got a funny thing, right? Said I'm hungry. Kids had one more Lunchable, and that Lunchable had pepperoni in it. I don't eat meat, so I'm gonna use one of these pepperonis. Probably not the best place to do this, because it ain't no lake or nothing, it's a river. So all of these fish, they constantly losing. This pepperoni is not sticking. Pepperoni is not liking this idea. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just go ahead and go back down the river some more. Maybe I'll stay right here actually, because now the kayak's not even attempting to move. See if we get some yummers. It's just sitting there on the ground. That'd be crazy as hell if I actually like catch something. There's so much trash on this river, it's ridiculous. Look at all of this stuff. You just see all that trash over there. I kind of want to go to this little spot. So I'm gonna actually probably just let this sit. You can see this river moves quick as hell. I actually never been around this bend. There's gotta be something resting over here. Oh, too bad I ain't got no anchor or nothing cool like that. Got all of this water over here is deep. Yeah, all of this water is deep and just calm. Yeah, I'm pretty sure we'll find something chilling and hanging out around here. It's so crazy to see this damn. Don't get hooked on to nothing. So crazy to see how this river goes through this way. Yeah, Go to the outside, outside. Big rock, big rock. Ooh, look at that drift. I'm talking big drifts. We got the bridge right here. That's over by the park. Did not know I was this far out. There we go. Got some rapids going. You can't just kayak fishing in the river. I'm learning that now. So if y'all watching, I just learned something. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and eat me a lunch about it. Take a break, cause this whole area right here is just ridiculous. We'll go ahead and eat me some high class Lunchable. Best time to go kayaking on this river would probably be after it rained, because it's super deep. We out here and it's still touching bottom. I'm more like a lake guy, not a river guy. So when I finish this, I'm gonna go out here. I'm gonna walk the kayak through this little area and jump on it when I get down there, because it's all shallow, sticks, trees, and everything inside this river. I already know I'm probably literally the only one on this river. Pretty sure it's about to rain. I can tell you right now, ain't no fishing today. I mean, I could post up right here and fish a little bit, but I know this river has hundreds of carps in it, because there's a dam in this town, in this city, not too far from here. And when that dam closes up, the whole, all the carps, hundreds of carps that just get caught in this little area, and you can get down there and fish them all out. It was real sad. One day, I went down there and it was just hundreds of carp, probably like 50 carp sitting on the side of the river. Somebody left them there. Looked like they only been there a day at the time, but it was hundreds of them, and 50s, at least 20 of them, and they were just all sitting out and all sitting there in the rock. This here bait was a waste of money, guys. I got this little bait. I don't know if I still got the label for it, but I got it from Myers, and it don't wiggle, jiggle, bounce, nothing. Like, it wasn't even worth the money. Real sad I bought this. I mean, it looked good though. It looked like a real actual, like, little shiner or something. Not too bad, it looks good, right? Got the little eyes, those eyes pop real good in the water and stuff. But yeah, I ain't really got too much luck fishing right now. I'm pretty sure if I had some live bait or some of them pepperonis, I probably should put some of them pepperonis on here and see if, even if like a crayfish, crawfish, even if one of those bite on it, I'd be happy. So we're gonna see if we can get some with these pepperonis, and I'll be right back, all right? Caught something I didn't know I caught. Got a little mussel here. This is super cool. I think I scooped it in while I was pedaling or something. And I got that. I'm not gonna save it. I'm gonna put this little guy back. Unless I get like a handful of these boys. You get a handful of them, I'll eat them. Boil them up, eat them. Pretty sure he was happy. All right, so yeah, we ain't had no luck. Might have 2 videos going. Don't really know yet. But yeah, so anyways, we about to go ahead and pack it up. Head to the house real quick, figure out what we're gonna do. Might hit the lake, go fishing. Literally, a river is a waste of time for me because it's just too rapid, wild. You can see no nest, all that. I'm a lake man, not a river man. So I'm gonna go ahead and drag this boy all the way back to the van, which is basically home. And I'll catch you guys next time. Make sure you hit that like button. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. Thank you for watching. Appreciate the view. Make sure you leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this video. If I should do more fishing on the kayak videos or just kayak videos in general. We do got some cool stuff that we're about to be doing to the kayak. So make sure you stay tuned for that. And when I say we're gonna do something super cool, we're gonna put lights and all types of cool gadgets and all that stuff on here. We're gonna soup it up, deck it out, so we can have a good time fishing, a good time traveling on this kayak. And I'm pretty sure I just seen a fish just jump out of the water, so obviously I suck at fishing. So I'm gonna go ahead and head home. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.